Truth is, your sales team is operating at only 50% of their full potential. Imagine what would happen if each of your sales rep worked as hard as they could for as long as they could, wasting 0 seconds, working at the top efficiency. I hate to break it to you, but humans can't keep up with those requests. But AI can. That's why I'll explain how Luru app can double your pipeline, booking qualified sales calls better than your best SDR. Before you see any results, you need to teach Luru AI SDR about your ICP, or in other words, ideal customer's profile. This will let Luru know what kind of people you're targeting and who is most likely to purchase your product. This is the first part of the onboarding process. Next, you need to update an exclusion list, basically letting the AI agent know who not to contact under any circumstance. This could be your current clients or your competitors. After that, Luru needs to learn more about your product. To write emails, Luru has to know what you're selling. So to keep Luru up to date, upload a document with your product information. Things like key features, your product name, description, targeted audience, pain points, desired outcomes, cost of an action, so on and so forth. While you're at it, attach some case studies that Luru could use to write even better performing cold messages. You can also share your previous campaigns to help Luru learn your type of messaging and brand voice. Last part of the onboarding process is connecting your mailboxes and LinkedIn account. That's how Luru is going to do outreach. If anything, Luru can also take care of your email infrastructure, setting up domains and mailboxes, adding DNS records, warming up your mailboxes, adding integrations, CRMs, and other tools. That was your onboarding, and now it gets more interesting. You now get to set up what Luru calls intent signals. Basically, you'll tell your AI SDR where it should be looking for leads, and there are a couple of options. First, Luru can look at similar product usage to determine if the lead is fit for your product. Second, Luru will scan your website to find interested leads. For example, if someone has looked at pricing, Luru will take notice of the person and categorize them as interested in your product. Third, you have review sites like G2 and Trustpilot. That's another place where Luru can find leads with high buying intent. Fourth, third-party data. That could be podcasts, blogs, newsletter, anything you could think of. Fifth, posts on social media like LinkedIn. Sixth, AI-based signals like funding, hiring, job posts, and similar. And that's not all. Well, it is for intent signals, but Luru can also find leads from any other prospecting tool like Apollo, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, or Crunchbase, so you never have to worry about not having enough leads. And once Luru finds leads that match your ICP, here's what it does. First, Luru will enrich your leads with information from various sources. And all of the enriched information is used to write hyper-personalized messages that are super relevant. And it's not a cluster of AI written compliments, no. Luru AI SDR keeps your brand voice and talks in a language that your ICP understands the best. So the icebreaker is personalized, the offer is personalized, and even the case study can be personalized. And all of these awesome messages are sent with a multi-channel outreach system, ensuring the highest reply rate no matter where your leads are. And lastly, because you train Luru about your product, the AI agent will take care of replying and objection handling, taking care of any questions or objections without your interference, truly booking sales calls on autopilot and eliminating any tedious tasks while you focus on closing deals. Of course, Luru is one of the many AI agents out there, but the best alternative to Luru has to be AI Agent Frank, a product built on top of years of sales experience. Agent Frank sets up your email infrastructure, finds leads based on your ICP, sends personalized outreach, and handles any replies, all while following the best email sending practices. And that's only scratching the surface. I suggest you watch a full video about Agent Frank to learn more. See ya!